Thanks to Gem Wallet, you can cross-chain swap different cryptocurrencies directly inside your wallet app. There is no need to connect to any external DEX, you can perform everything inside of Gem Wallet. And today I will show you this process step by step. The swapping process is super simple. Just select the coin you'd like to swap. In my case it would be Litecoin, and on the right side select swap. Right now you have to pick the cryptocurrency you would like to receive. And today I will be swapping my Litecoin for Bitcoin. Just select Bitcoin, and now I need to specify the amount of Litecoin I would like to change. So let's say I would like to exchange 0.25 Litecoin, and below you can see how much Bitcoin I will receive. So you probably noticed that the dollar value of my Litecoin is higher than the dollar value of Bitcoin that I will receive with this transaction. Because every time you swap cryptocurrencies, you have to pay the fees for the swap. And it's not something you can bypass, it's just a way it is. So once you specify the amount of cryptocurrency you'd like to swap, click swap, and below you can see what is the network fee to actually execute this transaction. Every single time you perform any transaction on-chain, you have to pay a fee. And once you click confirm, you will need to wait a couple of minutes to receive your crypto. And keep in mind that this swap can take a few minutes, it all depends on the cryptocurrencies you are swapping. Since I will be exchanging my Litecoin to Bitcoin, I will probably have to wait a couple of minutes because Bitcoin transactions are quite slow. Once this transaction gets processed, my Bitcoin will land straight into my Gem wallet, and you don't have to hassle around with providing addresses. It will be automatically deposited straight to your Gem wallet. So now you know everything you need to know to perform cross-chain swaps using Gem wallet. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos, and make sure to check out our playlist with all of the Gem wallet tutorials.